Welcome. Today we have Samsung S22 and the phone stopped work suddenly. Even if we plug the charger, nothing happened. So I will show you how to bring it back to the life. So we need hot air station and use flex to the FPC connector. And now we need to set the temperature of 300 of Celsius. And there we go. Heat it for 2 minutes. Now connect it back and test the phone. This is hot, so be careful. Now we need to charge the battery. Okay, phone is charged now. There we have logo Samsung, so phone is work. That method work only temporary for few hours, so if you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and till the next time.